Hello and welcome to another installment of the Laughing Place Video News Update. I'm Becca Burbank, here to bring you the latest Disney parks, movies, TV news, and more for June 20th, 2019. First up, it's been a wild week for the Disney fandom after Disneyland guests noticed that the park began selling merchandise inside of the Main Street Cinema. While the classic cartoons still played, Spirit jerseys, mugs, accessories, and more could be purchased from a cash register that was also installed. Following backlash, Theme Park Insider reports that the resort is scrapping this particular plan, but does intend to test other ideas in the future. We'll have to stay tuned to see exactly what that means for this peaceful part of the park. Of course, those visiting the Disneyland Resort in the next few weeks may be seeking some quiet spots, as Star Wars Galaxy's Edge will end its reservation-only period on June 24th and open to all guests. However, the land will still operate a virtual queue, allowing guests to enter in boarding groups. Additionally, galactic travelers wishing to visit Oga's Cantina or Savi's Workshop will need to nab a same-day-only reservation and provide a valid credit card number. For much more information about these experiences and visiting Batuu, be sure to check out laughingplace.com. Over at Walt Disney World, Epcot's entryway has begun its transformation as the first half of the Leave a Legacy monoliths have been removed. Meanwhile, the other half remain for the time being, although construction is expected to begin soon. All of these monoliths will then be placed just outside of the park as Epcot prepares for a new main entrance plaza. We're sure to learn more about this project and some of the other changes coming to Epcot at this year's D23 Expo. Also at Walt Disney World, this week annual pass prices for the resort increased by as much as $225 for top-tier passes. Now the Platinum Plus pass goes for $1,219, while Florida residents can get the pass for $999. There is good news on the AP front, however, as the resort has announced that annual pass holder previews will be held for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at Disney's Hollywood Studios, ahead of its official opening on August 29th. This fall, Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Parties will debut a new add-on, Cruella's Halloween Hideaway at Tony's Town Square restaurant. During these special events, guests can mingle with Cruella, enjoy a fun, festive atmosphere that includes themed background music and decor, and of course snack on some sweet and savory treats. Cruella's Halloween Hideaway is available for $99 per person and will be offered every night of Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party at Magic Kingdom. Speaking of Halloween, Disneyland Paris has just announced its plans for the creepy holiday. Starting September 28th, guests will experience a new Disney Villains show, as well as an autumn celebration with Mickey and friends, exclusive meet and greets, an update to the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror, festive decorations, and more. Disneyland Paris's Halloween Festival will run until November 3rd. As we look ahead to the 2019 D23 Expo this August, this week we learned that Disney Channel and Disney Junior stars will once again be meeting with guests during 3 fun-filled days. Fans are invited to stop by the Walt Disney Television booth on the Expo show floor to meet and take pictures with some of their favorite stars, including cast members from Raven's Home, DuckTales, Sydney to the Max, Big Hero 6, Zombies, and more. Plus, it's been announced that Kermit the Frog will join the creators and voices behind Disney Channel's Amphibia as part of a panel taking place at Stage 28 on Saturday, August 24th. Sadly, tickets for that day of the expo are sold out, but you can still get single-day passes for Friday and Sunday. Finally this week, just ahead of Pixar's Toy Story 4 debuting in theaters, the studio announced a new film that will open next year. Soul will be directed by Pete Docter, who has previously helmed Monsters, Inc., Up, and Inside Out, and also serves as Chief Creative Officer for Pixar. The official logline for the film asks, "Ever wonder where your passion, your dreams, and your interests come from? What is it that makes you, you?" In 2020, Pixar Animation Studios takes you on a journey from the streets of New York City to the cosmic realms to discover the answers to life's most important questions. Soul is set to arrive in theaters June 19th, 2020. And that will do it for this week's Laughing Place News Update for June 20th, 2019. For more news, opinions, and video from around the world of Disney, be sure to like, subscribe, and visit laughingplace.com. Bye-bye!